Hi, my name is Clara Bubenzer. I'm a culinary consultant and chef for Gourmet Egypt, and I've been working with them for 10 years. Today, I'm going to show you what we can do with our beautiful handcrafted products that we have in store right here just for you. Let's go! I'm going to show you what we can do with Gourmet's beautifully versatile handcrafted products in no time at all with the most amazing flavors. Let me show you. My favorite of all, the pasta sauces. Versatile, tasty, and I'm going to give you tons of ideas to do with these really cool items. I've got the tomato and basil, beautiful, fresh tomatoes, locally premium quality products. We could definitely put this on a pizza base. Yummy, 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 fresh flavors, proper quality, nothing funny in there. And we can definitely put this onto a grilled cheese sandwich with some lovely fresh Gruyere from right next door at the cheese section. Right, so we've just come back from the store and we've got everything to make a beautiful classic dish called chicken parmesan. Normally, it would take quite a long time to make this, but because Gourmet Egypt has already crumbed chicken schnitzels and ready-made beautiful fresh tomato and basil sauce, it will take almost no time and we can start right away to make a beautiful classic dish. We're going to start with the chicken schnitzels. We've got two. We've got one that's herbed and we've got a classic one. For this dish, I'm going to use the classic one. The recipe also calls for tomato sauce. And normally you would make this and chop the tomatoes and the basil and the garlic. But ta-da, we've made it for you. So it's super great. Pasta sauce with tomato and basil. And we also have fresh basil. Obviously, chicken parmesan, we can't have that without beautiful Parmigiano Reggiano from Italy and buffalo mozzarella. And that's our dish. Yay, let's go. We start with frying the chicken schnitzel that I've defrosted for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, whatever time you've got. Look. And I'm just gonna let that warm up. I'm doing it over medium heat, not too high. I don't want to burn the schnitzels. I want to get them cooked through, crispy on the outside. So I'm going to start with frying the schnitzels. When you're frying schnitzels, make sure not to overcrowd the pan, otherwise the oil temperature drops too much and you won't get a crispy, beautiful coating. Hello, chef. Lovely. Yay, beautifully crumbed, golden brown chicken fillets. Now they're nice and golden brown, and I'm going to take them out of the pan, place them on some paper towel so that the oil can get absorbed by the paper towel. We don't want fatty chicken, we want tasty chicken. Whilst the chicken is frying, I'm going to start preparing the rest of the dish with using the beautiful, I can smell the fresh basil. It's really, really aromatic. And just pour it in the bottom of the dish like that. Don't forget to recycle our super easy and beautiful, beautiful glass jars. Squish, squish, there we go. Cool, let's begin the layering. Let's hope it all fits so we don't. And we're gonna start layering with the second one. Some beautifully fresh Italian Parmigiano. Now, Gourmet Egypt, you can phone them and they will provide you with either sliced, shaved or whole Parmesan. And the star of the party, fresh buffalo mozzarella, produced in Egypt, and it is beautiful. Now mozzarella, I like to tear. Don't slice it like this beautiful fresh mozzarella. Can you believe it? That was it. And now I'm just gonna pop it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees until this whole thing goes golden brown and stunningly gorgeous. Wow, look at that, isn't that gorgeous? That is smelling like heaven, chicken parmesan heaven. And this is what we get out of it. So yummy. Look at that. And then just take some fresh basil leaves and put that on top. And there we go, beautiful chicken parmesan made in your own kitchen for a weeknight dinner, family meals, just for yourself. It's divine, it's quick, it's easy, and it's all from Gourmet Egypt.